Core advantages analysis of Lingbo Insulating Glass Washing Machine. Number 1. Dual-layer composite washing system, rough washing plus fine washing for deep purity. The front rough washing zone uses high-strength brush rollers to remove stubborn stains like dust and fingerprints from the glass surface. The rear fine washing zone combines softened water spraying with fine fiber brush rollers for secondary deep washing. Compared with traditional single sponge roller washing processes, this design completely solves the problem of washing mark residues, significantly improves glass light transmittance, and fully meets the light transmittance requirements of high-end glass products. Number 2. Independent servo motor-driven brush rollers, intelligent force control for zero damage. Each brush roller is equipped with an independent servo motor, which can automatically adjust the rotation speed according to the glass thickness for precise pressure control. This design avoids the risk of glass scratches caused by uneven pressure in traditional linked motors, while greatly reducing brush wear and improving washing efficiency. Whether thin or thick glass, it can be cleaned without damage in a short time. Number 3. Chain-free conveying structure, dual optimization of spur gears plus pinch wheels. The traditional chain conveying device is eliminated and replaced by top spur gear transmission, fundamentally preventing lubricating oil from contaminating the glass. The drying chamber area adopts a pinch wheel clamping conveying design, which ensures stable conveying of glass in different specifications through uniform force of elastic silicone wheels, especially suitable for uniform conveying of large size glass to avoid offset or jamming. Number 4. Precise drying chamber technology, zero contamination plus efficient drying. The pinch wheel conveying position is precisely offset from the glass aluminum strip installation and sealing areas to prevent the conveying device from contacting the sealant parts, achieving full process contamination-free operation. The hot air circulation drying system can adjust temperature and airspeed according to glass types, ensuring rapid drying of the glass surface without water stains, directly meeting the bonding strength requirements of insulating glass sealants. Number 5. Customized adaptation for high-end scenarios. For high-end products such as photovoltaic glass and low-E-coated glass, the washing process supports customized adjustments. The coated surface automatically switches to soft brush rollers and neutral washers during washing to avoid coating damage. It also supports offline programming, allowing one-click switching of washing parameters for different glass types, flexibly adapting to multi-batch and small-order production needs. Core advantage comparison. Traditional washing machines often face problems such as insufficient light transmittance, oil contamination, and conveying offset. Lingbo washing machine upgrades the basic function of washing glass to a systematic solution of quality protection through modular technological innovation. The full process optimization from washing technology to conveying structure makes it particularly suitable for high-end manufacturing scenarios such as insulating glass and photovoltaic glass, providing enterprises with more reliable quality assurance and production efficiency improvement.
For free machine selection, solution.